Hiranyamayena Patrena Satyasya Pihitam Mukham Tattva Pavrano Satyadharmaya Drishte. This is a verse from Ishopanishad. It reveals the nature of truth. According to this verse, the face of the truth is covered with a brilliant golden lid. And the Kavi is asking, "O thou, that do thou remove it. O fosterer, for the law of the truth, for that eternal sight, please remove it." And according to Sri Aurobindo's commentary on this verse is that a luminous power proceeding from the Father of all existence, he reveals in himself the divine Purusha, of whom all beings are the manifestations. His rays are the thoughts that proceed luminously from the truth, the vast, but become deflected and distorted, broken up and disordered in the reflecting and dividing principle, that is our mind. They form these, and they form there the golden lid, where or which covers the face of the truth. The seer prays to Surya to cast them into right order and relation, and then draw them together into the unity of the revealed truth. The result of this inner process is the perception of the oneness of all beings in the divine soul of the universe. The sun, the Surya, the sun god represents here the illumination, the divine illumination of the Kavi, the poet, the one that exceeds the mind and forms the pure self-luminous truth of things. His principal power is self-revelatory knowledge, termed in the Veda, the sight, drishti. His realm is described as the truth, the law, the vast. He is the fosterer, and he is the increaser, the one who enlarges and opens man's dark and limited being into luminous and infinite consciousness. This is what it is. There is this golden lid that covers the truth, and we perceive, we feel as if that is the truth, but this is merely the deflected, the deviated rays of the truth. The truth, the supreme revelation is beyond that lid. Hiranyamayena Patrena.